Back, guys. We are done working on this Hummer for our good friends at MOD MAFIA, which I'll leave all their information below. They work on Hummers and exotics, so they wanted to shine this vehicle up. They got the Ceramic Pro Silver package, coated the wheels and windows, and did a single stage correction for all their customers to see our work and what they are capable of. So we're about to have the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm Ryan with JR Express Detailing, protecting the world one coating at a time.